Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install VLC media player on your Amazon Firestick device. VLC media player is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download VLC media player on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here VLC media player. When you type VLC, the suggestion below VLC player, so click on, and here as you can see VLC app, so click on, then click on download button. So downloading will be started, it will depending on your internet speed. So the VLC media player has been installed on our Amazon Firestick device. Now you open VLC media player from here and also from home. And after installing VLC media player, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Then click on apps, it means application. And here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open VLC media player, then scroll down, you will find it VLC media player. So here is VLC media player icon, then click on. When you launch VLC media player first time, it will ask you to allow storage permission, so click on allow. So you can use this method to download VLC media player on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.